Hello students, today we are going to learn SST's second number lesson, our national and cultural heritage. In that last video we have learned architecture. Now we are going to learn next point, it is of painting. So let us learn. Painting we are going to learn. It is also kind of heritage and different styles of paintings developed at different time in the past in India. Means different styles of painting available and that is developed at different time. Means long ago people were express themselves feeling by the painting in the past. In time to time it is gonna change. Then the caves paintings made by early humans at Bhimbekta in Madhya Pradesh. So in the cave people were make paintings and showing themselves feeling from that painting. Just like Bhimbekta, it is in Madhya Pradesh. It is just like a painting in the cave. Then the wall paintings of Ajanta and Ellora depicting the life of Buddha are oldest example of our rich heritage in painting. So if you want to look in Ajanta and Ellora caves, it is near Aurangabad. That is depicting, means showing the life of Buddha, and it is a Buddha statues and pictures are there in these caves of Ajanta and Ellora caves. It is of rich heritage in painting. Means there are a lot of painting work has done in this cave. In the latter period, the Mughal paintings flourished and were called miniature paintings due to their small size. And afterwards, Mughal paintings starts, and that is called a miniature, means small size paintings, and it is a famous for their small size only. Just like small size is specialization of it. Then this depicted court scenes, and this is showing that people court scenes means how they were ruled, how they give justice to the people in this kingdom or country, how that people were give justice to the people in themselves country or kingdom, that is showing through that pictures. Then hunting scenes, how they were hunting to the animal, and battle scenes, how those are doing war, fight with other kingdoms, that all the pictures are present in small size. From Hindu epic, in big book of Hindu, that is also mentioned like Mahabharata and Ramayana in Hindu epic. In the next video, we are going to learn next point. It is of dance. So, thank you. Have a nice day.